Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, April, I don't want to say flew by, but it didn't flew by. It was a long process to get through April, but you guys, we made it. And today we are talking about my skincare favorites for the month. So the first product I've really been loving is the Inky List Oat So Cleansing Balm. This is a really hydrating cleanser. I did a full review on it, but it's very nourishing. It just feels like once you rinse this off your face, it hydrates your skin. Not only that, this makes for a really great mask. And you guys know I love cleansers that do two things. You know, I want to get all my money's worth from a cleanser, and I love the fact that this can actually be used as a mask. So when we did do our social distancing activities as a family, we went to like the wilderness. You don't call it the wilderness, but you know, like camping in the forest and picnics. When we did that, we would go up north to Payson. It's just really dry and arid here in the desert, and the Payson climate is no different. So when it would be really dry, when I would get home, my face would feel shriveled up like a prune, beef jerky, fruit leather for the vegetarians. Literally, my skin would be so dry. I would apply this, leave it on. It says leave on for 10 minutes, but honey, me, I left it on for 20. Once I rinsed this off my face felt so smooth, so nice, so velvety. And then I just apply a serum as well as a moisturizer after this cleanser slash mask. So this is really one of my favorites and go-to. So I know I'm almost done with it and definitely will be repurchasing this. So the next product we are going to talk about is The Ordinary's Lactic Acid 5% HA. This is one of my favorite products, my go-to. I did a review on this product. I have nothing but good things to say about this product. It is actually one of my holy grails. Saved me a dermatologist visit. Thank you. With that being said, I just think this is a great product. It's called Superficial, so I don't know what's going on, what magic they concocted in this product, but it is really amazing. I was using this almost every day, but I had to slow down because it was becoming ineffective. So now I use it about twice to 3 times a week, just when I want my face to look like glass skin or get a really good glow. This is my go-to product. If you're a type of person who has really bad texture, you've used products and you felt that they haven't worked for your texture, this works instantly, especially if you are a person who's new to it. If you're a person who has really large pores, you feel you have like blackheads in your pores, or your pores just don't look great to you, I think you will really enjoy this product because it really makes your face smooth. It helps minimize the size of your pores. If you are a person who has normal skin, but every now and then you get sort of like a breakout or you get texture, fine bumps, you will really love The Ordinary's Lactic Acid 5% plus AH. This is an amazing product. I did a thorough review on it, but it just gives you that, like, this is like Botox. I don't want to say Botox because I think that's an exaggeration, but literally the first time you apply this on your face, it makes your face look like it's lifting, it's tightening, like you literally have a mask on, and then you add your moisturizer depending on how you use it. Once I rinse my face, after, my face looks really good. So the next product I've been loving, and this is like my 4th jar, I've reviewed this on my channel when I used to do a show called Skincare Spotlight, is the multifunction formula all-in-one snail repair cream. Not only does this make a great moisturizer, but it's like a 2-in-1, meaning it helps repair your skin cells. I notice for days when my skin feels a little saggy, I'm having texture, I'm having days where I'm not sleeping a lot, which has been all all the time. This cream does wonders if you're looking for your face to get nice and bouncy, look juicy, and be hydrated at the same time. I really love the fact that, and I just have to reiterate this point, is like when I am having days where I've been up, which is a lot, you know, I feel like we're in Alaska. I'll always say this in my videos where it's like the time changes a mess, you know, because we're at home all the time now. So we're out of our normal, our daily routines we used to do. So we don't know if it's night or day. It's like Alaska. And so this has really helped my skin just look really great, because when I don't sleep, my skin tends to sag. My skin just looks a mess. And when my skin looks a mess, this is one of the moisturizers I really go to help repair my skin, aid in helping my pores not become so enlarged. When I am under a lot of stress, you guys, my pores get huge. I don't know, maybe that's me. Let me know, is that y'all when y'all under a lot of stress and y'all pores get hurt huge, or when you're having a purge from a skincare item, do y'all pores get huge, or it's just me? Mine start looking like craters. I don't know what it is, but every time that happens, I'm telling you what I do. I reach for this, and this is one of my favorite products to reach for. Okay, so the next favorite that I've been loving is just really one of my favorites, is the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve from Kiehl's. It's their all-day care for severely dry, active hands. If we ever meet and I shake your hand, girl, you are going to know my hands feel like an alligator. And it's because growing up, I washed a lot of dishes and I wasn't taught proper hand care. And now living in the desert, my hands tend to dry out completely. I mean, I don't have no calluses or anything. They're just very dry, and they're not soft and silky like the average person's hands would be. Look at me applying some now. The average person hands would be. So because we've been in quarantine a lot, I've noticed that my hands have been getting drier and drier because I steady wash, I'm steady hand sanitizing, I'm steady using the Clorox wipes on my hands, the wet ones, any type of wipes in the car right now. I got honey here. I'm not playing. I wipe Sonomi, Josh. I'm like, here, wipe your hands, because you know, he one of those non-believers, but that's another story for another time. He better wipe his hands and wear some gloves. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, with that being said, I really have been loving this cream. This cream has really helped with keeping my hands hydrated and really making them soft. They would never be baby soft ever again, or feel like, you know, I've never washed dishes, or feel like I've done no manual labor. But they're soft and silky when I use this cream, and they stay hydrated all day long. So I really enjoy the cream for this. Not only that, this smells like so good to me. I love those medicinal herbal eucalyptus scents. So this is one of my favorite ones to use because it just has that eucalyptus scent to it, and it just makes your hands silky. It lasts a long time. So the next time you got to put a wet wipe on your hand, put hand sanitizer on your hand, and I'm telling you, after you put the hand sanitizer on your hand and you got to go to your next place where you got to run your errands, and you put gloves on, when you take the gloves off, your hands feel so silky. I mean, I don't know what you guys are doing. I'm kind of curious, but what we've been doing or what I've been enforcing them to do in this house. I told you guys in my skincare drama haul video, I'm not getting corona. So what we do is we have like a little plastic garbage bag in the car. So we take our gloves off, we wipe our hands with the wet wipes, and then we do the hand sanitizer thing, and then, you know, everyone gets some of this. And because it's getting really low, I've been giving them like little dabs while I get the most. That's just what I'm doing. So it's time for me to repurchase some of this. So I'm curious to know, what do you guys do? You guys, I know some people are like, you go to the street, because I see some people leave the store and what they will do is literally take the gloves off, either throw them on the floor or throw them in a car and drive off. Why are y'all not hand sanitizing y'all hands? I am so so confused. Seriously, where's the hand sanitizer, people? Where's the wet wipes? What is going on? I am shocked that after y'all take gloves off, you know the gloves is contaminated once you take them off, so please sanitize. What is going on? I am shocked no one got wet wipes and hand sanitizer after they take the gloves off. That's another story for another time. I'm just telling y'all, I'm curious. What are y'all doing? Please don't judge me. I know y'all ready to judge me, but please don't. I didn't already say in my trauma video, I'm gonna leave it in the cards here. I ain't get corona, but this helps rehydrate my hands, keep them soft and silky. So if I could urge you to get one thing out of this whole list, this is really my favorite thing. If you like medicinal and herbal scents, some people don't. They like the cherry cotton candy scents. I'm like a real old ancient grandma. I like Ricola cough drops as candy and kills. And kills medicinal scents, honey. If you come to my house, literally, it probably smells like sage and eucalyptus. I am a mess, but I know it's kind of exaggerated, but honey, I like some sage and I like medicinal scents. I don't know why, that's just weird of me. Maybe eventually my scents will evolve where I'll like more, you know, soft cotton candy things. Maybe, I don't know. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.